Morning! Garage floor painting today because it's in a bit of a state. It's had some hammer like from since the caddy's been in, but it's nice and clear now. So I've got my gunk floor cleaner, pour that on, scrub it in, leave it for half hour, then I'll get my jet wash, blast it all out, let it dry. Then I'll have to do it in 2 halves. So hopefully I'll start painting today. Get half of it done, or 3/4. Just so I don't have to leave that stuff outside. Not that much really now. It's good to have my garage back actually. It's the first time I've seen it this empty in a long time. Yeah, I'll do 3/4 and then paint the rest tomorrow, and that'll be that. With the job done, and then I can pull that trailer in then, start working on the trailer. So, happy days. Stuff to do. Ciao for now. Hey, first job done. Swept out and ran me power wash cleaner out on full heat. Didn't make much of a dent in the crap that's on this floor. Jesus, yeah, it's got the thick of it off like. Right, I'll chuck me cleaner on now. Dun, dun, dun. So it's just a gunk driveway cleaner. So I'll just pour this on the floor, scrub it in with my stiff brush, and then let it soak half hour. And then I can blast it off again, and then wait till it dries, start painting. Ciao for now. Right, scrubbed. I was even on my hands and knees with a scraper. Getting all the bits of crap off, old paint, sticky tape, all sorts on there. So it's all been blasted off now. It's a lot cleaner than what it was actually. So it's sit and watch this dry, then put the paint on, and sit and watch that dry. Ciao for now. Hey, floor's nearly dry, man. There's just a bit more down here. And this bit here, so hopefully about another hour I reckon, now I'll get it lashed on. Yeah. Well, it's the last bit, waiting to dry, so I thought I'd flick back through WhatsApp, seen Paul's message. Happy days, this calls for measures. Oh yeah, won't take as long. I reckon half an hour I'll have this crack. Yeah, right, I've started. So I've done all the edges. It's a very light grey, which is fine. I like a nice clinical environment. How long it'll stay that colour I didn't know, but as I say, a lot of my oily greasy work is all done, so that's why I've been putting this off for a while. Plus there was just too much in the garage to clear out, so now the caddy's gone and bits and bobs, so I can get a nice fresh lick of paint. Yeah, so I'll crack on with the roller now. Shouldn't take as long. Check back in about. I'll give myself half an hour. How's about that? Cheers, ciao for now. Voila, it's done. Happy days. As I say, it's quite a light grey, but happy days. Looks better for real. Not on video, but happy with that. Some little things. The only thing is now the rest of the garage looks shabby. I'm gonna have to paint all the walls. Take all them tools off. Oh my god. Might need a hand. Ciao for now. done a bit of a boo-boo. I left the paint top tin over there on the bench. See it on the top of that box. Luckily, my tabs are in there and the window's open, so that would have been worse. Yeah, I've still got like a quarter of a tin there. I'll just have to stick something over the top, put some cellophane over the top for now. But yeah, remember, it's all in the planning and preparation, guys. Do not leave your paint lid in a place where you'd have to walk over the floor. Dingbat.